Okay, today we're going to make a video on cleaning a carburetor on a 1972 Evinrude 6 horsepower. I got the carburetor pulled off, and now I'm going to disassemble it. Take out the low speed needle valve. Take out the drain plug. Now we need to clean out the packing nut. We'll replace that. It's like there's two of them in there. Now I'm not doing a complete rebuild with a carb kit. This is a repair job, so I'm just doing a cleaning. The motor does run, but it doesn't run well, so I'm sure it's just some clogged jets. So I'm going to take the bowl off. All the parts that need cleaning are going to go here. The throwaway parts will go here. Alright, there's the bowl. Gasket looks okay. Pull out the pin, pull out the float with the needle valve. That all looks pretty good. Take out the main jet. Take out the throat. So there is a plug right here that if you're doing a complete rebuild, you would punch out that plug to be able to access all the channels in here and then replace the plug. But I'm going to try to clean it without that. Okay, so we got all the parts. And now we're going to use our Barichem carburetor part solution. It is very toxic, so we're going to put gloves on. basket, and I take all the parts that need to be cleaned, put them in the bowl, set them in the basket, take the main body assembly, put it in, and drop it down in. 45 minutes to an hour. Alright, we'll be back in an hour. Okay, so it's been an hour. Ready to take our carburetor out. I made me some soapy water. I got my gum out carb cleaner. Let's open up our I'm gonna empty out carb parts, and I'm gonna drop them in the soapy water. Rinse them out. I'm gonna go outside on my compressed air, and I'm gonna hit it with some air. Alright, now I got all the chemical out of it. Dump her out. Spread the parts out. And now I'm going to take welding tip cleaners. Pick out just the right size. And I'm going to take this carb cleaner, and I'm going to hit it in all the jets. Take my welding tip, run it down in there. And then go spray it with air. That's the main body. I'm going to do the same thing with this. Hit it with air. Take the throat, hit it with spray. And then hit it with air. I got my main jet. Right, all the parts cleaned. Now let's put it back together. We're going to start with the drain plug. We'll put the main jet back on. We'll put the throat back in. This cork needs to be replaced. Got a whole bin of parts. I'll find me another. Put it on. And we take our float with our needle valve. Gotta line it up just right. And it drops in there. The pin that holds the needle valve is secure. Slip the pivot pin in. And then you want to make sure that the float is moving the needle valve up and down, and that it's level. You want it sitting level, and it is. Alright, we'll set our gasket back on. Set the main body and put our 5 screws in. Okay, all we got left is the needle valve. I'm gonna find me a couple of new packing washers. So 2 of them in there. The holding nut. We'll go clean off this needle valve. Okay, I cleaned her up on my wire reel. Put it hand tight. Come back with the holding nut. This pushes down on the pack washers. Packing nuts in there. Give it some friction where it's hard to turn. And then I take me a magic marker and mark it at the top dead center. And this is the low speed needle valve. This is the high speed. It's got a fixed orifice in it, so there's no needle valve. You want to open this 1.5 turns. So that's 1.5. And when you're going to put it together and fire it up, the engine's going to run rough. You crank it clockwise until it starts running good. 1/8 of a turn at a time till you find the sweet spot. Alright, that's how to clean a carburetor for a 1972 6 horsepower Evinrude. Let's go slap it on the motor and see if it makes that motor run good. Hope you enjoyed the video. Here at Team Bikes Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time. Please click on subscribe. I guarantee to provide weekly videos. Au revoir mes amis and laissez les bon temps rouler.